Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly download an Amazon product video. Whether you want to save it for research, reviews, or offline viewing, this method is simple and effective. So let's get started. First, go to your Chrome web store and download the video downloader. Find the video downloader professional, add it to your Chrome, and it will be added to your extension. After that, go back to the Amazon and click the extension. Find the Video Downloader Professional, click it, and scroll down until you find this downloaded or download. Click it and save. And let's see. Okay, there you have it. And that's it. Now you can easily download Amazon product videos in just a few steps. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, drop a comment below. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.